We're here at the men's 4x800. Guns off. Missed the start on my watch here for a little bit, but we'll get you some splits along the way. That seems to be McGowan leading off for Yale. Gregoric leading off for Columbia. As a Brown athlete hits the triple jump pretty well. Back on the track. Who's that? That's Brown out front. McGowan in second. Out in about 25, 26. Who's that in second for Harvard? Anyone know? That's Connor Reck in second for Harvard. As a Brown runner moves into second place, in second place in the triple jump. Brown is in first place in the 4x8. As they come up to that halfway in 54, 55, 56 for the pack. That's Reck of Harvard, McFall of Princeton, of Cornell, Williams of Princeton, Johnny Gregoric for for Columbia. Sorry, folks, it's been a long day. Who we got in front for Brown, guys?
2 Columbia, 3 Cornell, 4 Princeton,
Brown runner?
5 Brown, 6 Penn,
Henry Tufnell, I think, from Brown.
and 8 Harvard.
As Michael Williams seems to be wanting to make a move. Will McFall is making a big move. John McGowan, as we get back to the action. Sorry for that delay. As Williams makes a big move. That's Tufnell. Williams, Tufnell, McGowan. McFall. Reck of... It's going to be Princeton handing off. 150, 151, 152. About an even split, 152 for Williams. Here's Paul Masano for Princeton.
Like Yale, Cornell, Penn.
We have Brown in second, Yale in third. That's Eric Blyce of Cornell in fourth. It looks to be one of Columbia's 3 148 guys moving up well off the back of the pack right now. Hey, if any of you guys know any of these runners, let me know. Our fans want to know. Who we got? They're making up the gap quickly here. That's what happens in these relay events. It seems to spread out towards the finish, then close back up right away after the handoff. So we were 152 for the first leg for Princeton. Their lead is no more, as most of the field has made up that gap. As Yale moving to the lead. That looks to be 54, 55 for the leaders. For Paul Masano, probably about a 52 for Yale. We'll see if Paul Masano has anything left in the tank, as he got to go out a little bit slower. As Brown goes down. Brown goes down as the Brown fans are in agony. I didn't quite see what happened there. Don't know if there'll be any DQs later. I think that's Fish moving up for Columbia. He was second in the Open 800. As Eric Blyce moves up for Cornell, making a big move. Eric Blyce, he has fresh legs here. Most of the other runners are winded. Cornell saved their runners. As Eric Blyce making a big move.
Come on, Paul!
That's Fish holding on in second. Penn in third. Paul Masano in fourth.
You gotta go, Paul!
Dartmouth in fifth. Dartmouth moving up well.
Paul! You gotta go, Paul! Come on!
But that's Eric Blyce with a strong run. He's going to be handing off to Hong Cho. Columbia, big run for Brendan Fish, handing off to Connor Claflin.
Let's go, Ben!
That's about a 153. 153, ladies and gentlemen, for Paul Masano. So we have Hong Cho, Connor Claflin. Who's that for Penn?
Not sure.
Timmy Gorman, formerly of Christian Brothers Academy, in fourth. Looney of Harvard. Matabane of Princeton. As Matabane is moving up into fourth, but it's still Hong Cho up front, followed by Connor Claflin in second. Where was Claflin in the 800 today? Was he fifth? Third. Claflin was third. They're going to be handing off to, I would guess, Nick Wade for Cornell and Harry McFan.
Cornell, Columbia, Cornell.
As there goes Claflin into the lead. Hong Cho hanging in second. Matabane in the third.
Penn, Harvard.
It's Columbia, Cornell, Princeton, Penn, Harvard, Penn, Dartmouth. So we still have Claflin out in the lead for Columbia. Hong Cho in second for Cornell. Nathan in third for Princeton. Matabane, sorry about that. Is that McGaha in fourth for Penn? Not McGaha. I try, folks. Fifth. Who's fifth for Harvard? Looney in fifth. As Claflin is really opening it up here.
Well, we got some.
Claflin will be handing off to Harry McFan. He posts a 148.1 PR. Hong Cho hanging tough in second for Cornell. He'll hand off to Nick Wade. Matabane will be handing off to Peter Callahan of Princeton. Probably, I would guess a 148, 149 for Columbia. As it's Nick Wade in second, Peter Callahan in third. Harvard in fourth. Who's on the end for Harvard here? I don't think the heat sheets are right. So it's strung out. It's Columbia out in a distance lead in first with McFan. Wade in second. He's running the 1500 already today. Callahan in third. He's the 1500 meter champ. What does he have left in the 800? What do these guys have? They're all great competitors. As the crowd cheers them on, it's McFan, Wade, Callahan. I don't know who this is for Harvard in fourth. Penn in fifth, Dartmouth sixth, Yale seventh. That's Chevelle for Yale. McFan running well, 6:26 with a lap to go. 28 with a lap to go for Cornell, 30 with a lap to go for Princeton. 2 seconds separating each of the top three teams. As McFan really starts to ratchet down the pace. Wade hanging tough in second. Callahan starting to move in third. As Callahan is moving up on second place. McFan looks to be a distant first. Barring disaster, they should win. Callahan closing the gap on Wade. He's really going to the arms, folks. I think can he get McFan? McFan seems to be tying up. It's a lot of space, folks. I don't think so. We shall see. McFan still looks strong. Callahan grimacing. McFan looks smooth. He's going to run a tough leg. Columbia with a good run. 7:23, 7:24. Princeton 7:26. Cornell 7:28. Harvard fourth. Penn fifth. Dartmouth sixth. And Yale will get seventh with Brown eighth. Princeton 7:25.8. Cornell 7:27.9. Harvard 7:29.2. Penn 7:31.2. Dartmouth 7:34.7.